Good morning, students. In previous class, we started chapter number 8 more on CSS 3. CSS full form cascading style sheets. CSS makes it easier to enhance the look of the different element. Here element means tag. By the use of CSS, you can define your own rule and properties of HTML tags. CSS provide good effect. CSS provide good effect to see output in your according choice. So you can use CSS by using two method, inline style method and outline or external style method. In inline style you already learned this thing. By the use of inline style you can define every tag style with tag name. Here page number 107. Inline style is one of the method used to apply CSS on the elements of a web page. In this method, style declaration is given with each individual element. Means here you define a style with each individual tag or element. Here inline style defined where? With HR tag. HR means horizontal ruler. HR tag makes a horizontal line in your web page. Here HR style with 50%. You can see output of this 50%. Background color green and height 10. Normal HR only make simple line. So this is HR and its inline style. Now text property. Here text property in cascading style sheet provide various formatting option to style the text in a web page. By the use of text property, you can define text property with CSS. Number first property, text align. Syntax of text align, text dash align colon symbol value. Here listen, when you want to define anything by the use of CSS, here must indicate property name or attribute name. It's again property. Here attribute name, its property and colon symbol and value. This is syntax. Syntax means defining rule. So here text align value. Now text align value. In second page you can text align right, text align value left, right, center and justify. Second, text decoration. This property specify the decoration that can be applied to the text in a block or paragraph. Text decoration means designing of text. Syntax text dash decoration colon value. Here value underline, overline, line through, blink, none. You can see these all properties and its effect in program. Firstly make program and output of program. Firstly learn all properties. Color, this property helps setting color of the text. Simple. Syntax color value. Here value color name or RGB color code. You can also write RGB colored code. Now text transform. This property used to transform the letters in a text into uppercase, lowercase, capitalize the first letter of each word. Syntax text dash transform colon value. By the use of text transform you can write capital letter, uppercase and lowercase. Here value capital, uppercase, lowercase, none. What is the meaning of capitalize? First letter of each word in capital. Capitalize first letter of each word. What is the meaning of uppercase? Capitalize all letters of each word. Lowercase converts all letter of each word into small case to a small case. None means no text, normal text. Now text shadow you can also Apply text shadow property to add shadow around the text. Simple syntax, text dash always time. Property name, attribute name, its property, colon symbol and value. Text, attribute name, property shadow and its value. Here shadow, S shadow means horizontal shadow, vertical shadow. You can also specify color of shadow. Now some important fact is also given. The default text color of the page in body sector. Here know this fact, understand this fact. Now come on text indent. The text indent property specify the indentation of the first line of a text. Means text indent provide space first paragraph of the text. Simple text indent value, where value length in a pixel or a percentage. Means text indent, suppose you write 20 pixel or 20 percentage. Now bird break property specify the line breaking rule. When you press a enter, then line will break. Then bird break property specify line breaking rules or bird breaking rules. Now page number 109. Bird break value. Here syntax bird dash break colon value. Here value normal, break all, keep all. Normal means bird will break according to the user rule. Bird means break according to user rule. Break all means break at any character. And keep all when the line will break at hyphen symbol. Here you can see this is hyphen symbol. And line height means spacing between line. Here is a program to see these various effects. Firstly define style type text oblique CSS. This is a way to write CSS program. Defining rules for body, text decoration underline, color blue, paragraph text indentation 30 pixel, tense transform capitalize. So here you can see capitalize means each word of the text in capital. And text indent, you can see text indent effect. Here is spacing and H1. Here is defining for H1. Text align center means this is heading success, heading center. You can see this is in center in the web page. Text shadow 2 pixel means 4 pixel and color red. Here is one mistake. 2 pixel you put semicolon symbol and color dash red. Here you can see color dash red. Here is some correction you can see in program. In next video I will also provide a program. Okay, now closing head tag and style tag. Now closing head tag and style tag. H1 body tag, H1 success, body style bird break means break all. Bird break, here bird break means break all. What is the meaning of break all? The line will break at any character. Means here line break with any character. Okay, and here P style bird break keep all means when line break, when you break a line there is hyphen symbol. Now font properties. By the use of font properties you can define separate facility of font in web page. Font property facilitate the setting and appearance of individual character in a line of the text. You can define individual character setting. First, font family. By the use of font family you can specify font dash family value, where value generic family. Here the family name generic. Okay, now page number 110. Here is various type of family: generic family, cursive family, here cursive font setting, generic family, generic general font setting, serif, sans serif, and mono space means monotype cursive font setting. You can also define font size by using font size property, font dash size colon symbol value, where value extra large, smaller, large, medium. You can see these all effect in your program. Now font style, this property displays the chosen font either in normal, italic or oblique. Normal font or italic font or oblique font. This is font style. You can write font normally or italic. Now font, this property is used as a shorthand method to set all of above property or in one single declaration. By the use of simple font property, you can use all of above property, all of these above property by the use of single syntax font value, where value, font style, font size, font family and other thing. Example, font oblique 20 pixel and fantasy. Now move on page number 111. Here is a program to defining various font. Next video you see this program and output. Now come on margin property. By the use of margin property, you can define margin of your web page. There are 4 types of margin: right margin, left margin, top bottom margin. You can define margin: margin top, set the top margin; margin right, set the margin right; margin bottom, set the margin bottom; and margin left. You can also set margin. Now listen, come on page number 112, border property. By the use of border property, you can define text border around the text. Border property help you to set the border style, border width, border color of your HTML element. You can define border around the text. Number first, border width. You can give border width number of pixel, in number of percentage, mostly in pixel. Border width, it helps to specify the width of all 4 border of an element. There are 4 types of border: thin, thick, medium, and numeric. You can define 4 types of border: horizontal border, top horizontal, top bottom horizontal, left vertical and right vertical. Okay, there is value medium, thin, thick, other. Now border style, you can set style of the border. By default style none. You can also hidden your border. You can also apply dotted border, dashed border, solid or double group border, or raised border or insert border or outside border. Mostly use dotted and solid border. You can also define border color, syntax, border color value, where color name or color value in code. Now border, same like font. By the use of border, you can define all property in one declaration. Here is a program to define border. So you can see this effect in program. So this is summary of your chapter. What is the meaning of cascade? A cascade style sheet makes it easier to enhance the look of the different element on the web page. In the inline style method, you can set, define border you can define style declaration in given with each individual element. Means you can define each individual or tag style. Text property in cascading style sheet provide various formatting effect for text. Font property facilitate the setting and appearance of the individual character. Margin property are used to specify around the free space or surrounding or element. You can set margin property, and border property helps you to set the border style, color and other thing.